Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y over x. They are degree number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equal to vx. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. So we do first derivative of v. So we have number 1 dv over dx multiplied by x. So we can simplify like this. This one we do first derivative of x. We have number 1. So we have v multiplied by number 1 in here. And that is about the product rule of derivative. So this one I will change for y. This one I will change for this one. Now we simplify x. V and v we simplify for the both sides. Because I put v go in here, you got negative v. So v minus v we cancel. So this one I will put on the left, ds and s I will put on the right. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over v. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of x, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by x. And now we need to change v into this one. And this one we have x over y. This is the end. Thank you for watching.